Hey guys, welcome to another video on Java for Beginners. In this video, we're going to be talking more about the objects. So, as I said in the last video, that you can create as many number of objects that you want for a particular class. So, if you understand the term instance, so we say object is an instance of a class. If you understand the term instance, then you might as well understand that every object that you create for a particular class has its own copy of the member variables. So again, the member variables are the data that you declare inside the class, that particular class. So you can create, so let's create another object for, let's just say your shirt for clarity, and we created another object called your shirt for the class shirt, and as I said, every object has its own copy of the member variables. So here we have assigned the values to the member variables for the object my shirt, whereas we haven't assigned any values to the member variables for your shirt. So if you try to access the your shirt dot color, then it's going to give you a null value. Let's just check that out. So there you go. So it gives the value for my shirt dot size, but for my shirt dot color it gives a null value. That's because we haven't assigned any value for the color for the object your shirt. So you always have to assign values for each and every object's member variables. You can say green or whatever you want. I'm not a big fan of green though. Let's just say it's 7. Okay, now you can similarly use the dot operator. You have to qualify the object name for every member variable. So you just can't simply say color equals green. You have to define for which object you are defining the color as green. So that's one thing about objects, that every object has its own copy of its member variables. And another thing is that you can also have multiple assignments, multiple references to the same object. So when you create an object my shirt, you can also create another object variable called your shirt, or just another shirt equals, you can assign my shirt. So there you go. What you're doing here is the reference or the address to the memory location that's being returned by the new operator for the object my shirt. You're assigning the same to the next object another shirt. So whatever you have in my shirt will reflect in another shirt. Oh, okay, we haven't defined anything for my shirt as well. My shirt dot color is equal to red. So let's just get rid of this line. Okay, now it gives red. So both the object my shirt and another shirt have the references to the same object. So let me tell you, we have to note that they are not different objects. They point to the same object in the memory, and you can manipulate the object using either of the variables. So that's the only advantage. And you can say color equals green. So now it will update the color of my shirt to green. So as it is evident here, it says green. So that's all I wanted to talk about objects. And that's it for this video, guys. See you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and ask them to subscribe to my channel, and you to subscribe if you haven't already done yet. And that's all. See you again in the next video. Till then, have a good one.